Hey there, if you're watching this video, you've come to that point in life where it's time to make a change. Oh, but it's nothing major, just a car battery. With Interstate Batteries, you're in great hands. In fact, by the end of it, you'll be changing batteries like a pro. Let's begin. Remember, not all cars are the same, so be sure to always consult your manual for specific safety instructions. Now, make sure your car is securely parked and that you've got everything you'll need to get started. Here's what you'll need: a new Interstate Battery car battery, a wrench, working gloves, goggles or safety glasses, and a bit of patience since it's your first time. Now let's remove that dead battery. Pop the hood and locate the battery. It's okay, I'll wait. Found it? Great. Now before you get in there, just make sure the engine has cooled before you get to work. Okay, now let's remove those terminals. And hey, always, and I mean always, remove the negative terminal first. This is usually a black cable with the minus sign on the terminal. See it? Now grab your wrench and loosen the nut on the negative terminal to detach it. You may need a screwdriver to remove the terminal. Great job. Now let's remove the positive terminal. This one's usually got a red cap with the plus sign on it. Now, take your time and loosen the nut with your wrench and detach the cable. Take as long as you need while I stare into this beautiful piece of machinery. Oh, and once you're done, remember to check for any other battery hold downs that may be securing it in place. You'll have to remove these before you continue. All right, got it? Now, let's carefully remove the old battery and set it aside. There you go. Carefully grab that brand spanking new Interstate battery and set it in place. Oh, that's a beauty. Now let's reinstall any hold down brackets or hardware you may have removed before. Now let's move on to the terminals. Be sure to set the negative end near the negative terminal and the positive near the positive terminal. All right, now let's connect the terminals. This time we're going to start with the positive terminal. Tighten the nut with the wrench until it's secure. Now let's do the same with the negative terminal. All right, now get in your car. Turn it on and take that old battery to your nearest auto shop so they can recycle it for free. Now, one thing to watch out for is your vehicle may idle rough and transmission may experience unusual shifting until it relearns your driving habits due to the loss of battery power. Okay, see? Not bad at all. You can now go and toot your own horn in front of your friends, family, and significant other. Before you know it, you'll be changing your address, your luxury car for a minivan, and eventually diapers. But that's a whole different video. Wondering if all you need is a charge? Check out our videos on how to test your battery and how to jumpstart your car like a pro. Need more help? Remember that there are 150,000 pros like me around the corner who are more than ready to help. Find the nearest one now.